Hello everybody, welcome to this short gardening video and welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget hit that notification button so you don't miss any future releases. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect a red banana plant for the winter months. Red banana plants add a wonderful splash of colour amongst banana gardens, but they're just not winter hardy, particularly in the UK or in France. So we have to protect them for the winter months. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do to protect my red banana plant for the winter, which I've been doing for the last 10 years with this particular plant. Okay, to protect the red banana plant, all we need to do is cut all the leaves off. So I'm going to cut all the exterior leaves off first. This now leaves us the inner part of the plant, and I'm just going to slice that straight across. Now all we have to do is put the red banana plant in a dark place for the winter months, somewhere that it's going to remain warm and not get attacked by any frost. We normally put it down in our cellar. It gets a little bit of light, and what you'll find is in the spring you'll probably have one leaf coming up from the centre of the banana, and then when you take the red banana out, perhaps May, once all the danger of frost has finished, all of a sudden it will just burst into life and you'll get another sort of half a dozen leaves coming out. As I said, this plant is actually 10 years old. Here we are, we've just placed our red banana plant in our pump room, cellar. The reason I place it in here, gets a little bit of light, but not much. But the most important thing, it doesn't go below zero in here. And it's happy enough, just water it once a month, and what you'll find is one leaf will start to shoot out and unravel from the centre where we've just made that cut, and come April, May, that one leaf will be quite large, normal size, and then as soon as you bring the red banana plant back out into the garden, once all the danger of frost has finished, it will just spring into life, and more and more leaves will pop out, and it will just be glorious once again. And that's it, how to protect a red banana plant for winter. I hope you've enjoyed this short gardening video on how to protect a red banana plant for the winter. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.